Hello! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS for Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zep application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Zep application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon to open the profile page, and on the profile page you should see the list of my devices, and on it you should see Amazfit GTS for Mini. Tap on it, and this should open the Amazfit GTS for Mini device page. Now find the option called App Store right here and tap on it. And here we have list of applications we can install on our watch. As you can see, we have quite few. Now find the application you want to install. For example, the Snake game. Tap on it. Here you can see the screenshots and info about the application, and then you can tap on the install button to download and install the application on your watch. And after it's done, you will get the pop-up that the application was installed. Also, the button will change to installed instead of install. Now we can wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the side button. Then we can press the side button again to open the menu. And if you scroll down through the menu, you should see your application right here below the settings. And we can tap on the icon to open it. As you can see, it's working. Okay. And of course, once you're done installing applications, you can simply close the Zep application on your phone. And that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.